Hello friends! Welcome to Mom and Me Fun Factory!
Hello friends! Today we are learning fun tiny vehicles. These small vehicles help us move and play. Let's see them. Scooter. A scooter helps kids ride and have fun. Bicycle. A bicycle has two wheels and we pedal to ride. Skateboard. A skateboard rolls on wheels and we ride standing. Roller skates. Roller skates help us glide and move smoothly. Golf cart. A golf cart carries people around the golf course. What did we learn today? Scooter, bicycle, skateboard, roller skates, golf cart. Great job, friends! Thanks for learning with me today. See you in the next fun video.
Learning is fun! Thank you for watching! See you again at Mom and Me Fun Factory!